Have you noticed how nowadays losing weight has become a real battle? Millions of people around the world, especially in European countries, are facing immense struggles to shed those extra pounds. Restrictive diets, intense workouts, miraculous promises. It seems like nothing works, right? Overweight and obesity are serious problems, not only for appearance, but for health as well. And what's worse, many times, after all the effort, the body simply doesn't respond as expected. And you, who have probably tried everything, know very well how frustrating that can be. But here's the good news. Today, there is a simpler and more effective way to lose weight. I'm going to tell you all about it. If you're tired of struggling with crazy diets and methods that don't deliver results, you're not alone. We all seek something that truly works, something that can accelerate the weight loss process without sacrifices. And that's where Keton Aktiv comes in, a revolutionary supplement that could be the key to transforming your body. Keton Aktiv is not just another supplement. It was formulated to help your body quickly enter ketosis, where fat becomes the main source of energy instead of carbs. And the best part is you don't need to starve yourself or do exhausting workouts to see results. But how does it work? Let me explain. Keton Aktiv is a supplement that gets straight to the point, helping your body accelerate the ketosis process. But what is ketosis? Well, when your body enters this state, it starts burning fat instead of carbs to generate energy. This is what will allow you to lose those extra pounds without too much effort. The secret of Keton Aktiv lies in its powerful composition. It contains raspberry ketones, L-carnitine, coenzyme Q10, and bromelain. Powerful ingredients that work together to speed up your metabolism, reduce hunger, and increase fat burning. These ingredients not only help you lose weight, but also provide energy, improve mood, and take care of your heart health. And most importantly, Keton Aktiv does all of this without causing unwanted side effects. There are no known contraindications as long as you follow the usage instructions. Weight loss happens in a healthy way without compromising your health or causing skin sagging, which many people fear. This is possible because while you lose weight, Keton Aktiv helps to maintain your muscle mass. Now imagine looking in the mirror a few weeks from now with the body of your dreams, feeling lighter, healthier, and happier. Keton Aktiv can help you achieve that faster than you think. And the best part is today you have the chance to take advantage of an exclusive 50% discount. But hurry, this offer is limited. Don't wait to make a change that could improve your life right now. Click the link below, take advantage of the promotion, and start your transformation with Keton Aktiv. I know you deserve this change, and this is the first step towards achieving the body you've always dreamed of. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to receive updates on new videos. And of course, leave a comment below sharing what you think of Keton Aktiv, or if you've already used the product. Your opinion means a lot to us. Take advantage of this chance and don't miss the opportunity to take the next step towards your new body. See you in the next video, and a bye-bye.